In this video, we are going to discuss and implement fake news detection using machine learning and Python. Now, firstly, we need to know about fake news, that it is actually a type of yellow journalism. Fake news encapsulate pieces of news that may be hoax. It is generally spread through social media and other online medias also. It is often done to further, or we can say impose certain ideas, and is often achieved with the political agendas also. Such news items contain false, or we can say exaggerated claims, and may end up by viralized by algorithms, and user may end up into a filter bubble. Now, the things which you need to know is TF-ID vectorizer, which we discussed also when we are discussing in NLP, that it consists of TF, which is term frequency, that is the number of time a words appear in a document is its term frequency. A higher value means a term appears more than of a number of times than others. So the document is good match when the term part is in the search term also. And next is IDF, that is inverse document frequency. Words that occur many times in a document, but also occur many times in many others also, where it may be irrelevant. So IDF is a measure of how significant a term is in the entire corpus. The TF-IDF vectorizer converts a collection of raw documents into a matrix of TF-IDF features. It has been derived, and for that we have the passive aggressive classifier. Now this is the new term, passive aggressive classifier, and what is it? It is actually, these are the online learning algorithm. Such as algorithm remains passive for correct classification outcome and turns out aggressive in an event of a miscalculation, updating or adjusting. Unlike most other algorithms, it does not converge. Its purpose is to make update that correct the loss, causing very little change in the norm of the weight vector. So what we are going to do, we are going to build a model which is going to see that detect accurately to classify a piece of news into real and fake. So let us see how can we do that. Before proceeding with the code, I would like to show you the official documentation of the passive aggressive classifier, which is sklinear.model, and here you can see that there are several parameters which are there of the passive aggressive classifier, and it is also, we can say, a family of online learning algorithms only, which remains passive for a correct classification outcome. Now let us switch to the code. So here you can see I have loaded a CSV file, that is news.csv, and the link for the download is mentioned in our tutorial, and that particular link will be given to you in the video description also. So you can easily download this particular CSV file. Next, what we have done, I have imported some libraries here. You can see that I have imported numpys as NP, pandas as PD, and iterate tools. Now this iter tools is actually a module and a collection of tools for handling the iterators. Simply put, iterators are data type that can be used in a for loop. The most common iterator type in Python is the list. So after downloading and importing all the necessary libraries which are there, and lastly the accuracy score and confusion matrix, which we used to do to predict how accurate our model is, predicting the predictions which are there. To see that, we have used accuracy score from sklearn matrices. Now here you can see that I have also, with the help of read that particular CSV file with the help of read CSV function and df, and then I have shown you displayed here the first 5 entries with the help of df.head function. So here you can see that this is the title and these are the text which are there, and label has been generated. So this is actually in the CSV file, and I'm showing you the first 5 entries displaying you here, and the label given is fake, fake, real, and so on. The news label has been given. Now I have divided them. X is actually the text which is there. You can see the text I have stored in the X. You can see here, this is actually done for defining our features and the target. So we can say X is the feature that is having text, and target is the label. So I have divided them into X and Y. Here you can see that. Now this is quite clear to you. After that, what I have done is, using the split function, I have splitted the data into the train set and the test set of data. For that, I have used the test train split function, and I have mentioned a random state also. Next, what I have done is using the TF-IDF vectorizer. So firstly, we have used the TF-IDF vectorizer. Here you can see that, and this vectorizer actually tokenizes the data, then converts the data into a matrix form. And what it does, it decides the weightage of the word, which I also discussed in the beginning of the video also. Means it actually pre-processes the data. because the machine cannot understand the documents or the doc types which are there. So it is necessary to pre-process the data, convert it into a matrix, as we have also seen while we're discussing previously about TF-IDF vectorizer. So that I have done here. After doing that, classifier algorithm and learning of the model we have done. So we have used here passive aggressive classifier, and here we have firstly fit the model with the help of trained set of data, and then we have used yPredict variable to check the prediction, how it is predicting the test set of data which is there. Next, for checking the accuracy score, we know that we check the accuracy score of what is the test set, we can say, and what is the data that is predicted. In that both only we check the accuracy score. And lastly, we have printed the confusion matrix, or we can say a kind of error calculation is also done here. Confusion matrix is always predicted between yTest and yPredict, the test set of data and the predicted set of data, that generates the confusion matrix which is there. So let us execute this and see how well our model is trained. So here you can see that the accuracy score is 0.92. That means quite 92% it has predicted accuracy of our model. And from the confusion matrix, we can see that a total of 593 fake news are there, that is had predicted, and a total of 584 real news are also there. 0 and 1 here you can see of the matrices like that, and rest 45 and 45, these particular news is a sum of 90. This is actually the wrong prediction by the model. So here we have used the passive aggressive classifier, we can say algorithm, which is a kind of supervised learning algorithm only to train our model, and with the help of that only we can actually predict, or we can detect the fake news using machine learning in Python. The referral notes will be given to you, and that link will be mentioned in the video description.